Dude, it's a barrel! Dude, it's perfect! Alright guys, we got Emlyn here.
Moment of truth.
We're rolling up on the wave right now.
It's like Shark's Cove. When it's big, I've seen evidence of it be like a psycho slab right and a left. But I don't see it right.
Got out of the van, there's a wave. It's like a left, the right's a little too small. Got Alex here. How you feeling, dude?
Oh, I feel good. Breathing in the fresh air. Oh my god!
Dude, look at that. Look at that. Shit. Look at that left. And the right is kind of perfect. What? Dude, the left is too gnarly though. That is too gnarly. That's... Alright, I hate to be that guy, but like I'm already cold. Like I'm frozen just looking at it. Yeah. I just need to get my wetsuit on, I'll be warm. It's closing out. I don't know, that was kind of a perfect barrel.
Probably the biggest we're gonna serve.
That was so sketchy.
This time was smaller all day long if it was just proper, you know.
There you go.
Tell if it's waist high and running or waist high and just right on the rocks. No, that one's better. It looks rideable.
Almost bigger right there.
It's kind of.
All right, guys. So you'll just have to save the last session for the movie, but we found like a really mini wave. Like you can kind of see it. Look, you can kind of see it. We don't know if that's like ankle high or like waist high. Emlyn and I are in our wetsuits, so we're just gonna jump in and see what we can do. That was pretty sick.
Yeah.
That was fun. That was pretty sick. That was just like so awesome. We thought it was like literally like knee high, but then we freaking Emlyn was like pretty pumped to get out there. So I was just like, All right, let's do it. Like, we're here, we see waves, and then it literally looked like ankle high when we got out there. It was actually like a stomach high set, like pretty fun. And it's pretty much flat right now, so I think we scored it. Rain's coming down. We're doing a little bit of consolidation right now. The wind and the rain are pouring down. Someone's got to sleep up there. We also just got some of the boards on the roof, and yeah, the focus is getting the van clean right now. I just organized my stuff a little bit. I put it under this bench. I wore that helmet today, and I have like a 10-foot leash that I probably won't use unless we're at like a specific spot. So helmet, my clothes, everything's down here, and we're actually looking better than we were. 2 people are gonna sleep here, and 1 person's gonna sleep up top, and we got a lot of gear still. There's a lot of room, like it's pretty spacious, but yeah, we're just gonna have to like reorganizing things and doing our best to keep it clean, even though it won't be. We're looking pretty good.
So like the content on each camera is so haywire.
Yeah.
Because I'm just like, okay, one camera's long lens, the other camera is short lens. When the set goes dead, I'm like, oh, this pile of it could be cool.
Yeah.
Like, let me record this. Love everything about it.
I think we need to scope that out.
Let's go, Grota. Potentially tracking down session number 3 today. Super clean over here, but we don't know if there's a wave or not. Oh, that looks pretty cool, Emlyn. I don't think we need to see anymore. Dude, what? Dude, I don't think we need to see another one. Dude, I don't know. I think we should just get in the wetsuits before it changes. I think we just gotta get in the wetsuit. I think we just gotta get in the wetsuit, boys.
Dude, that...
What? Okay, I'm just gonna get in the wetsuit. Let's do this, dude. Dude, it's a barrel. Dude, it's perfect. It's gonna change. We gotta get out there. That was another interesting session. Feels like I'm getting closer to what I'm trying to find. Feels like we're getting closer and closer. Like that wave was a little bit bigger, had a lot more push than the last spot. Felt like I could do a turn, maybe like half a turn, and then it kind of swelled up on the inside. So pretty gnarly, but Alex wants to surf, so I'm stoked for him, and we're gonna paddle out together.
Oh, look at that!
Dude. Dude, I'm like so tired. That was 5 sessions for me. That was a full day of surfing. Alex almost died out there. Not from frostbite, but from muscle cramp overload.
I am at.
He's trying to get warm right now.
First of all, I haven't slept in 30 hours. And we did 4 sessions.
First day, we just went so hard. We got the van, went out to like the heaviest slab I've ever surfed here, and then went to fun session. Then we went to here. Then we did like 3 sessions here. And Evelyn's still out there. I'm dead. I need to freaking get warm too. I've spent all day in this wetsuit. They said it couldn't be done, but I'm running my 1 mile like 640 something days in a row. And I surf 5 sessions a day. So I got a lot of energy. I'm stoked on life. And stick with us because we're gonna keep going. And we're gonna keep coming at you with these epic vlogs. We got a wild duckkin up here. Dude, it's so tight.
I'm looking for my phone. Can you call my number?
So this is real van life. We're all just brushed our teeth. We're so tired. We pushed it so hard today. Alex is gonna be sleeping up here. Emlyn and I are gonna be cozied up in this bed back here. Yeah, we're stoked though. Guys, it's the first night, but there's northern lights. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, there's a little bit of the northern lights out right now. It's so sick. I just have to go to the bathroom right now.